How to make your PC more efficient and faster with 5 simple steps. Step 1. Checking disk usage. Step 2. Clearing app caches and prefetch data. Step 3. Disable unnecessary startup programs in the Task Manager. Step 4. Run disk defragmentation on a regular basis. Step 5. Upgrade your hardware. Step 1. Checking disk usage. You can press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager. Then you can click Performance tab and click Open Resource Monitor. Then you can click Disk tab in Resource Monitor window, and you can see which programs and processes are using your hard drive, and which disks and which files they are accessing. Step 2. Clearing app caches and prefetch data. Firstly, open Run dialog box on your PC, search %temp% and delete all data. Secondly, search temp keyword from Run dialog box and delete all data. Again, search prefetch keyword on Run dialog box and delete all data. Step 3. Disable unnecessary startup programs in the Task Manager. Go to Task Manager by clicking the Windows icon, select the Settings icon, gear symbol, then type Task Manager in the search box. Select the Startup tab. Highlight any program you don't want to start automatically, then click Disable. Step 4. Run disk defragmentation on a regular basis. To defragment your hard disk, open Disk Defragmenter by clicking the Start button icon. In the search box, type Disk Defragmenter, and then, in the list of results, click Disk Defragmenter. Under Current Status, select the disk you want to defragment. To determine if the disk needs to be defragmented or not, click Analyze Disk. Administrator permission required. If you're prompted for an administrator password or confirmation, type the password or provide confirmation. Once Windows is finished analyzing the disk, you can check the percentage of fragmentation on the disk in the last run column. If the number is above 10%, you should defragment the disk. Click Defragment Disk. Administrator permission required. If you're prompted for an administrator password or confirmation, type the password or provide confirmation. Step 5. Upgrade your hardware. Connect an external hard drive. Add an internal hard drive. Upgrade your cloud storage. Install more RAM. Slot in a new graphics card. Invest in a bigger monitor. Upgrade your keyboard and mouse. Add extra ports.